Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up free shipping on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify store, log into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard and then click on the settings button. After clicking on the settings button, click on the shipping and delivery button. And now click on the manage rates button. After clicking on manage rates button, delete all the existing countries. And now click on create shipping zone button. After clicking on create shipping zone button, fill the zone name or setting accordingly and done. After clicking on done, now you have to click add rates button. And after that, set up the settings accordingly, whatever you desire. And now again, click on the done. So that's how you will set up free shipping on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.